Stormworms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus for Verizon Prepaid. So the Galaxy S24 Plus is here at Verizon Prepaid. It got released in February. So yeah, it looks like the Galaxy S24 and recent Samsung flagship phones. So if you guys like the design of the recent flagship phones from Samsung, this is the phone for you guys to check out. So anyways, you guys will have 4 colors to choose from. We're looking at the cobalt violet color here in this video, but anyways, you guys have that color, onyx black, amber yellow, and marble gray color options there. 256 gigabytes is $999.99. 512 gigabytes is $1119.99. So yeah, so there it is, front and back of the phone. So on the front of the phone, you guys have your hole punch there for your front facing camera. Every piece about that power and volume keys on the rest of the phone. Back of the phone has your triple camera system, camouflage Samsung logo. That's the front of the phone, like I just mentioned. Hole punch with front facing camera. Power and volume keys on the rest of the phone. The left side of the phone has nothing. You guys will see that nothing on the left side. You do have a camera bumps there on the back for your camera, so be mindful of that. There's the back triple camera system, camouflage Samsung logo. There's the back, and we're going back to the front there, power button, volume keys, and that's the front again. Basically a 360-degree view of the phone, so very nice looking phone and whatnot. So the Galaxy S24 Plus has 4.17 hours of standby, 4.17 days of standby time, excuse me. It has portrait, pro video, single take, night mode, food, panorama, slow motion, hyperlapse, portrait video, dual recording camera. You have a 50 megapixel wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, autofocus, f1.8 aperture, 10 megapixel telephoto camera with autofocus, f2.4 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra raw camera that is fixed focus, and f2.2 aperture on there. Alright. Introducing Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Now with many next gen AI features and capabilities. With Galaxy AI, Samsung Galaxy S24 can become your personal companion, help you unleash your creativity and supercharge your gaming experience. The new design also features an enhanced armor aluminum with a premium finish. Pair Galaxy S24 Plus with Verizon the network America relies on, and experience ultra-fast connectivity with Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network. Now in more places, alright? With the help of Galaxy AI, everyday tasks can be much easier. Get the answers you are looking for by searching with conversational search and search. What you see with circle do you search. With Google, Galaxy AI can also help you organize, summarize, and translate. With Note Assist, experience borderless communication with Live Translate when calling, texting, and interpreting on the spot. Enjoy a better way of finding information using the personal web analyst that can help you summarize and highlight key points of online web pages and content. Alright, so pretty cool features there. The Galaxy AI feature is new this year, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and check it out. Taking photos and videos is now even better in natural, true-to-life color with high resolution. With night photography, you can create special scenes even at night, as Galaxy AI can recognize and analyze the subject accurately to provide the clearest pictures and videos. Generative edit suggestion. Use Galaxy AI to help you create the perfect picture every time that can easily be shared across social apps. Yeah, y'all gotta see a Galaxy S24 Ultra there in the picture, but the same feature applies here to the Galaxy S24 Plus. So I think they're putting Call of Duty Mobile in there. Let me know if I'm wrong. Let me know what game it is in the comments below. So it says here with the latest processing speed and an improved cooling system, you can experience a next level gaming experience designed for premium gaming performance. The adaptive display lets you enjoy hyper realistic visuals and accurate ray tracing with a faster touch response. Samsung has collaborated with top level gaming companies to truly enhance your mobile gaming experience on Galaxy S24 Plus, so that's pretty cool. What it's large 6.7-inch Quad HD Plus display, you can dive into content with Samsung brightest and clearest display ever. Viewing and watching content looks great with a large screen and some bezels. Paired with its 4900 mAh battery, you are able to enjoy your content longer. Whether you are running from meeting to meeting or running the trails, Galaxy S24 Plus is tough enough to handle it. The Armor aluminum frame and stress-resistant Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen keeps your phone looking like new, no matter what your day throws your way. You can do so much more with Galaxy Connect, and you can do so much more with Galaxy Connect and experience. Send big files on the spot with QuickShare and simply enjoy the ease of answering calls and checking texts with the Galaxy Watch or Galaxy tablets. Plus, connect to Galaxy Buds instantly to stay informed. Connect to Galaxy Buds instantly to stay tuned into your calls and favorite content. So, yeah. Specs, it has 6.24 inches height, 3 inches width, and the weight of the Galaxy S24 Plus is 6.95 ounces. Type-C charging, obviously. 4 color options: Onyx Black, Marble Gray, Cobalt Violet, and Amber Yellow. It has an Armor aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 cover glass. 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display, Quad HD, 3120 by 1440 pixels, 120Hz refresh rate, obviously, 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, 4900 mAh battery, 44 hours of talk time, 4.17 days of standby time, fast charging, wireless charging, 12-megapixel front-facing camera with autofocus at 2.2 aperture. Camera modes, I mentioned this earlier in the video. It has portrait, pro video, single take, night mode, food panorama, slow motion, hyperlapse, portrait video, indoor recording. Processor has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy octa-core chipset, Android 14 with One UI 6.1. Storage options: 12GB of RAM, 256GB of ROM, or 512GB of ROM, alright? Security, you have an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock, Google Assistant and Bixby options for voice assistants, obviously. HandA compatibilities, mobility, features, accessibility features here, mobile device, rear camera, 50 megapixel wide angle camera, that's your main camera, 10 megapixel telephoto, and then a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera in the back. You have music player, has Spotify on it, which is interesting. Pretty cool though. You have Samsung messages and Android messages for your texting apps. Support email platforms, Wi-Fi capability is Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 6E. Wi-Fi calling, HD voice, audio calling, new shit. It's a phone. Video calling, Bluetooth 5.3, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. eSIM, which is primary, but you can use a nano SIM card if you guys want to use a physical SIM. And the depth of the Galaxy S24 Plus is 0.3 inches. Sorry ratings, video captures. The front camera records in 4K 60. The back camera, which I'm assuming is the main camera, records in 4K 60, 4K 120 frames per second for slow motion videos, 8K 30 frames per second. Alright. You do have 4G LTE, 5G nationwide, and of course 5G ultra wideband. That's the fastest right now on Verizon, so check that out. If you guys need help with your Galaxy S24 Plus, Verizon is here to help you out with that. So I said Verizon Wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So yeah. What comes in the box is your Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, your Type-C to Type-C charging cable, quick start guide, and your terms and conditions. You guys will need a Type-C charging brick. So it's ton of stuff in the box there, alright? So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. It's here at Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys are looking to get a flagship phone here on Verizon Prepaid, the Galaxy S24 is worth checking out. If you guys like the design of the phone, which looks like any other recent Samsung flagship smartphone, so check it on out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.